Hey guys, I have filmed a video on this look. Are you excited to see the full look? Hello guys, welcome back to Preitty Pride. Today I have created a very amazing look which is a green dream look. Are you excited to see the look? So let's begin. Firstly, I'm applying a moisturizer and vitamin C serum to give me a perfect hydration. Now I'm using this concealer from LA Girl in the shade Pro Conceal and concealing my lids. Now using the beauty blender to blend everything. I'm just doing in dabbing motion guys, don't drag the concealer. Today I am gonna create a perfect look using a cello tape. So here I am applying cello tape on my both eyes. This step creates no mess and you can apply multiple shades. So I'm starting my eyes with a light green shade and making a crease line, blending it inwards. I've also given a touch of dark green shade and blending both the colors inwards and creating a transition shade. Now I'm using this shimmery dark green color and will apply on two sides of my eyelid, leaving the center. Doing it with a finger gives awesome pigmentation. That's what we need. Now I'm taking this light green shimmer and placing it onto the centers. Now blending it all so colors can merge in between. This technique gives a holographic effect and eyes look very attractive. Now I'll just complete my other eye, removing the cello tapes. Can you see the sharpest wing ever? This technique creates no mess and the eyes look super good. Now applying the kohl from K Beauty. This is a very long lasting kohl pencil. Now smudging it up with a green shade. You have to use same shade under eyes so it's a very nice effect. Clearing any fallouts. So this is the look guys. Applying the liquid eyeliner and creating a small wing. Oof, I'm done. It's not that tough guys. A little practice can make you pro at applying eyeliner. Now highlighting the inner corners using a silver shade. Just apply falsies on one eye, we'll complete other and come back. Oh, that's my daughter in the background. I hope she lets me complete the look. Let's see. Press the falsies onto your real eyelashes and don't forget to apply the mascara onto lower lashes. It gives a very dreamy look. Now starting off with face, applying the highlighting concealer under my eyes and creating a triangle shape. Blending it with a beauty blender. I'm just dabbing it in. Applying the foundation, I'm using Try-On today. It gives a heavy coverage and flawless finish. Don't forget to apply on your neck and other exposed area. After blending, I'm setting it with a brush using Wet n Wild contour kit, highlighting with Wet n Wild shimmer palette. Now using the contour shade and applying on the highest points of my face, under lips, forehead, cheek area and nose. Firstly, I'm marking the areas. Then I will blend with a fluffy brush. I'm telling her to go out, but she's not listening. Doing my brows using a brow pencil in dark brown shade, highlighting under my eyebrow with a silver shade. Now using a blush from Makeup Obsession. I love this blush. You must have seen me using most of the times. Now comes the best part, me acting crazy. I love this shade from Sugar. So let's begin. First, I'm outlining my lips using a Wet n Wild lip liner. Now just filling in with the lip color. First outline your lips, then fill in the shade. Shade number is 12, called as Baby Houseman. It's a lovely fuchsia shade. I'm loving it. Loving it, guys. Loving how the look turned out. I hope you also like it. And